Alrighty, so we're just arriving at the Toowoomba Superchargers. Here we are over there. Yeah, so we take a right over here. We can see them just over here on our left. Gotta be careful of pedestrians around here. Over the speed bump. And a hard left here. And we arrive at the Superchargers here. So we just pulled up with 43% battery, which is 216 kilometers in the Tesla Model 3 Performance. So you just proceed down South Street all the way till you get to, pretty sure this is the Golf Club. So we're right to open that for the supercharging. Get out of the car. So what we want is the CCS2 plug here. And we're right to, as you can see, the light is white. The light is white, so we're ready to begin charging. That's turned blue. Once it goes green, it's beginning to charge. There we go. Come back in about 5 minutes and we'll test the speed of the supercharger. Should also mention as well, the Tesla Supercharger is actually located at the Toowoomba City Golf Club, which has a nice dining experience and toilet facilities as well. So it's been approximately 5 minutes now. So if we go to display, energy, we've already charged up to 60% there, which is essentially 301 kilometers in the Tesla Model 3 Performance. So we're good to stop charging here. Alright, to take it out. There we go. That closes and we're right to go.